Hey everyone, so I pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to focus on to bring more money into your life today. And the Three of Cups came through, and this is all about community, network, friendships. So, it's all about coming together with people and using your community and friendships and all of that kind of thing to really connect with, bringing more money in. And that could be, you could have in the community, you could have a barter system where, someone has vegetables and someone has meats, and you sort of work as a community, right, to help each other out and really network and friendships and creating that connection that way, because that's how it used to work, right? It used to be like that where everyone helped each other. And so, attracting more money in mightn't be the actual physical money. It might be that you get food or you get meat supply or, someone makes clothes. Like it could be anything like that, which, you're not really spending any money. No money exchange. It's just like everyone's working together as a community and in your friendship group to help each other out, right? And that helps you to survive. And then the money that you do have, you can then spend on other things, if that makes sense. So there you go. That's, the little message for today. Let me know if it resonates in the comments. Make sure you like it so I know you like it and I can bring you more readings like this. Subscribe, hit the bell notification because then you'll be notified when I do the readings and videos and you won't miss them. And I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.